So I have, you said
Yes, sir.
Mike Lombard with me today, Truck Parking Club, and he is going to give y'all a little bit of information about what they do.
When you're trying to defend St. Louis, because they'll throw at any time.
I rock all pink like Cameron. Say she in the back, no pants on. My stick, only thing. Take a stance on. The suits flow damn right. 2 hands on. Might flip galaxies like Samsung. Finish her, finish me. No shanks on. West side Tennessee. Where your man's from? 2 strands like grandson. Vaughn. R.I.P. She gon' take a shower. Okay, B.O.B. I'ma stuff a cone. Hit the incline. THC. We gon' make a flip. Hop on TLP. She ain't gon' deny. She need my energy. And I ain't gon' deny. I was energy. I was in there saying plenty things.
We are here, second day of mats for me, third day, last day, y'all. Last day of mats. About to walk over here real quick and check out everything, see what's all left. We're gonna see what's all left over here. If there are, I think a lot of people end up leaving early. So we definitely gonna see. Go over here and do a couple of interviews and everything, show y'all some stuff that I think y'all may like, or y'all, may help y'all out with y'all's business, or may help somebody y'all know. Who knows? Y'all, I am curious. Now, look, the wind's blowing pretty good. I think my microphone is doing pretty good for the wind to be blowing as good as it is. Because it was blowing it's blowing worse than this yesterday, honestly. Y'all can see Mud Flap. Mud Flap is providing all the free parking. This is the parking, y'all. I'm back down that way somewhere. But this is all the parking. So it was bigger than what it looked like on the oh, that's a Bennett. That's Bennett. So that's the truck chapel, y'all. If y'all ever want to go. I didn't know Bennett provided one of them. But yeah, I don't know. Oh, he must have got pulled over. Actually, there's police behind him. Maybe he came in the wrong way. But there are some trucks that are over there on that side. So I don't know. Or maybe somebody had a wreck or something. Because then you got these cars right here too. I don't know, y'all. It's a lot going on out here in these streets. Anyway, I'm finna record when we get inside. I ain't finna keep on doing all this. Look, y'all, this right here is what I want to do with my stacks. I think I'm gonna do mitered though. But basically, how he got them coming out all the way up under there. I want mine to come all the way from the bottom like that. Mine come out right up here in this area, but I want them coming all the way from down the bottom. Oh, I like you got the steps. I might want to do that. Steps and steps, mud flaps on both of them. I definitely want those bottom lights right there. But yeah, it's a big sexy one right there, y'all. But anyway, we back. Yeah, that's how you know it's the end of the day. It look like folks are already leaving. Folks already putting stuff up, y'all. Yeah, I came a little bit too late. Let's see. Ooh. All right, y'all. So I got here a little bit too late. My plan was to get here around about 1 o'clock. But the people that I really wanted to show y'all is already gone. But I do have their card and a little bit of information. So I'll talk to y'all about that when I get back in the truck. Let's see if somebody else I can find, the other people I talked to yesterday. Let's see if we can find them back there all the way back in the back. So I have, you said
Yes, sir.
Mike Lombard with me today, Truck Parking Club, and he is going to give y'all a little bit of information about what they do.
Hey, appreciate that, Rich. We're Truck Parking Club, so we're essentially the Airbnb of truck parking. Similar to Airbnb, we work with property owners, people who have extra real estate to park trucks on their property. A lot of our property members are, for example, a trucking company. They have a yard, they can fit 5 extra trucks. They'll host their property on our platform, and it's instantly reservable parking for truck drivers as they're going across the country. I know personally from being a driver, going over the road, we have a massive truck parking issue in this country. There's only one safe parking location for every 11 trucks out there. I'm sure you know better than anybody. You see the trucks on the on-off ramps. You see them parked where they're not supposed to be. You see them double parked, however it works. And so we're working with property owners to create never before used truck parking all across the country, nationwide. Got almost 1,700 properties. Again, the app is free to download, truckparkingclub.com. Feel free to check us out. If you got any questions, you can reach out to myself. I'm available everywhere at Lombard Trucking. Find me or feel free. We've got 24-hour customer service, all staffed by former truck drivers and dispatchers, U.S. based. You're not talking to anybody down in the Philippines. You're going to be talking to a former trucker or a former dispatcher, somebody from within the industry to help you out with what you're doing. Also, on top of that, on our app, we also have any free parking that's nearby. We have that on our app that'll show you where there's some free parking. Within it, all the properties are not built the same. Some have different amenities, and all the properties have the amenities listed. Several are fenced, gated, with cameras, lights, 24/7 access. Some, some have fitness centers, restrooms. They're all kind of different. They vary in price, pretty affordable, anywhere from about 10 to 25 bucks, depending on location and what the amenities are. But hey, if you got any more questions, like I said, you can find me everywhere. My name's Michael Lombard. You can find me Lombard Trucking, and you can hit up Rich anytime as well.
All right. I appreciate it, Mike. All right, y'all. So, yeah, I got in way too late. Way too late. Honestly, I didn't even know it was around that time when I got in. I thought I was walking in around about 2 o'clock. But it was almost 4 o'clock when I was walking in, and that's about when they were shutting down, 4 o'clock. I was just so dirty. Well, it's because of the wind, I guess. But, so yeah, we're going to go check out these trucks and stuff. I got a couple gloves and flashlights from Geico for free. But I did get I got one sponsor. And as y'all seen, Truck Parking Club. Now, I've already had their app downloaded, but I have not used them just yet. Because, where I park at is free parking, and I usually can find a spot. But they do have a couple spots around my area, but they also said, they have a couple of free spots as well, as you see. And you can get a couple of one-day spots, so definitely check them out. I'll put I'll give y'all my affiliate code once I do get it. And y'all definitely check them out, y'all. So other than that, man, let's see the rest of these trucks. I didn't see that last time, y'all. I think he lost or something. This is actually for sale, y'all. I don't believe I got this one good yesterday, y'all. Troy Massey's Wild Child. I think I did. She was already recording, so I didn't want to get in her way. Oh yeah, I ride this. I love this. I love the red, y'all. I already love red anyway. I love blue more, but I love the way he got that done on the inside. Yeah, you got all right. You got all right. That's a big baby right there. Yeah, I can get these couple down here. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. He got the suicide doors on there, y'all. That's cool. I like that. See, they got doors open, a lot of them today, because they didn't have the doors open yesterday. Oh, he trying to show them trophies. Yeah. Third place. Okay. So they already did all the judging and stuff. They got one in South Dakota coming up. Somebody can. Okay, so we're gonna walk around and see who all won today. I didn't realize that Wild Child had won something recently. I didn't know that was today. So y'all know what it is, and I don't even know what it is yet. Ooh, golly. I hope y'all can hear that. Look at it rocking. Lord. Second place. It is a beauty. It is a beauty. All right, y'all. Let's see who else done won. I wonder who won the light show. Oh. Excuse me, y'all mind if I look? Yeah. Okay. All right, y'all. Third place. Oh, they got best use of chrome bobtail, limited mileage bobtail, no miles, limited mileage engine. Yes, sir. They 3 trophies. 2 best, first place, and then 1 third. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, he deserved that one. Excuse me. They win anything? No. They should have got something. It's a nice looking truck. But everybody can't win though. Now, I know they got something. They had to get something. Did y'all win something?
We got best of show.
All right. I know y'all had to get something. I just got back out here. I'm like, y'all had to get something. Yes, sir. Excuse me. Oh, there it is.
Luke's doing another interview.
So this is the best one right here. They went all out, y'all. They deserve to win that. Yeah, they deserve to win that one. How could you not? They came, they took the wheels off, had the wheels spinning yesterday, and everything. How could you not win? Like it's kind of basic and simple in here, but still nice and luxury. But they went out on presentation. I feel like they should have won something too. Look at it rocking, dog. Yes, sir. Second place. That thing go all over and over again, y'all. It's so hard to pick it up. All right, y'all. Nice show. Nice show. I don't think I'm gonna get to see everything because it's a lot of people that left already. Well, not a lot, but a couple that left. So I don't know. I wish I'd stayed here for the show yesterday, but man, my feet was hurting so bad, y'all. I'm sorry, I didn't know I was zoomed in all the way. I wonder if they won. Don't see no trophies out. Oh, where they won that? Where's the one that had the see-through hood on it? There it is. He had to win something. Uh-huh. Yes, sir. They won something in the cab over. Antique paint. Antique original. First place and first place. All right. That can't be there. That's the original paint. My fault. I didn't know I was in y'all way. All right. Let's see if he won anything. If he didn't, they crazy as hell. I'm sorry for cussing y'all. Well, it's a 97 too. Didn't win nothing. And it's his birthday. It's his birthday. Or it's the truck birthday. Might be the truck birthday. That's crazy. Y'all telling me this truck didn't win nothing? This. A see-through hood didn't win nothing. All right. I mean, who am I? Okay, little blue one. Little blue. I can't believe this didn't win. Okay, we got another one over there. We got another winner. Little blue. Working truck bobtail, second place. Working truck, second place engine. Even though we can't see it right now. We'll crank that cab over up. Crank this bad boy up. Gonna crank up. What did this one right here win? I see y'all took the things already.
First and second, or first and second, interior and something else for original, antique original.
Okay, all right. I was just trying to get it. I do YouTube, so I was trying to get everybody that won. I got out here kind of late.
That guy right there, he owns all five. He owns all five of these first right here.
Which five? This one?
These three black ones in a row, this one, and that blue one right there, or green one right there.
Oh, that black one up there too?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, that one won first and second again this year.
I seen that.
Year and this year.
And that's the original paint on that?
No, that's we got that painted.
Okay. But it's back to the original like it was. Nice. Yes, sir. All right, so.
Yeah, we won 5 today, so.
Can't beat that.
No.
Let me get this one. All right. So this one won 2 trophies. First and the second place. One for interior, one for, I think, an engine he said. And then he has the guy that crunk up this truck here. Oh, sorry, too close. The guy that crunk up the black truck owns the cab over, the black truck, these two black trucks, and this truck. And he won for this one won, and the cab over. That gotta be nice. 5 trucks and 2 of them won. 2 trucks. Oh, they said they won 5 trophies. I only seen 2 for the cab over and 2 for the 2 for the cab over and 2 for that Pete right there. Ooh, I love this purple. This is nice. This is the purple I want to go with. You on this? What color purple is this?
Bright purple.
Say again?
Bright purple.
Bright purple?
Yep,
Okay. Nice. I don't have a beat, but I got a 9900 International, and I want to do a Joker thing.
Oh, okay.
I like this purple.
Yep, it's really good to sun.
Yes, definitely. I'm surprised you didn't win anything. It looks great. Bright purple. Yeah, they all packing up, y'all. All right, I don't know if anybody else want anything, but we're gonna head back up to the front. I want to see a lot of these guys leaving. I still love that. I love that purple too, though. That's the same color purple, damn. Just about. Huh. Let me see just in case. I don't know who owns it, though. Excuse me. Y'all know who owns this one? No. You own this one?
Yeah.
What's the color purple on this?
To be honest, I couldn't tell you. It was some off-wall. It was some one-off color that came with that. Well, that's what the powder coat is. It was a color off like a 2017 one. I think it was made one time. I don't know what the exact powder coat is, but I know it's like these fenders that come here and made them. They paint them too, and we were trying to give them a paint coat, and they couldn't get the color made.
Gotcha.
So we had to get it through our paint guy.
Gotcha.
So.
Okay. All right.
I don't have a name for you.
That's all right. I don't have a Pete or a Kenworth, but I got a W9. I'm sorry, a 9900 International, and I'm trying to do a Joker thing, and I'm trying to find a nice purple that I want. So I love that purple too.
What's the color? What is this color? I don't know the name of it.
You know what I mean?
Picked the color off, I believe it was a 90 or 07 Kenworth.
07 Kenworth. Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate it.
Yes.
It looks great. Thank you. All right. Yes, sir. I like the little bit of green. I don't think I seen it yesterday. Crunk that big baby up. Look at him riding on that truck over there. Yes, sir. They cranking up and heading out, baby. Somebody's sounding good up there. I'm gonna turn my mic off because I want to hear the pipes, y'all. And y'all can't hear them good with my mic on. Yeah, see the singles on there yesterday. Let's see who for snake pipes. That's the white one. I love that white one. Man, they done cleared it out up here, y'all. I done missed so much. that green. Got on that perfect shot, y'all. That was gonna be a good one. I actually just talked to him, y'all. He built that truck for somebody that owns 4 State Truck Park. We ain't got time to be dapping up. out the back way. He brought these here. Yes, sir. He brought them babies here. Ah. Now I knew that one on the back had to be brought. But I thought that red one on top. I thought they drove that. Yes, sir. Yo, black man, that's what I'm talking about. That baby clean too. Yeah. That's what you call dedication. There you go. That big baby clean. Once he get that new bump on there. Nice truck you got here, sir.
It is a nice truck.
Yeah, real nice truck you got here. Hey,
That truck came with wrench.
that's not your truck. That's not your truck.
That truck came with wrench.
Oh no.
I think so. Nice
First-
to meet you, truck. Yeah. All right. Good job, Ron. Let's get it right to this over here.
Hell, I missed it.
Burning just as much gas.
Yeah. Ooh. Motor just big as hell. Just burning. Now, I thought, wasn't he in the front a while ago?
Now he was in the back.
Oh, I thought he was in.
That's the speed going. Oh, that's sexy.
There y'all go. That's what I'm talking about. Like, be close together. That's it right there. See, now I gotta stop recording. Y'all too far apart. It's just... All right. It looked good for a minute. Here we go. Well, y'all, we had a good second day at Matt's. Had a good time. Didn't get, like I said, all the vendors that I wanted to talk to because I got there late. That was on me. But other than that, y'all, definitely a good time. And as y'all seen, they was doing like a little parade around the building about 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't know how many times it was. It was a lot. I'm surprised they didn't get tired. I don't know. But they went all night. But anyway, man, I appreciate y'all tuning in, y'all. Until next year, Matt's. May catch y'all at another truck show. Definitely going to start trying to hit them all, or hit as many as I can. It's a good time. And it's a good network as well. But I appreciate y'all tuning in on this episode of Trucking with Rich. Y'all definitely tune in on the next one. And y'all stay up, stay safe, and stay blessed. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, man. Peace out.